Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. Now, what will be the value of $100? Turning $100 into $10,000 with Terra Classic. Remember, this coin at the time of recording this is currently trading with about 4 zeros. Now, Terra Classic is going to delete between 1 or 2 zeros. Most experts believe that Luna is going to hit because Binance founder and Binance are really supporting Terra Classic with a mega burning every month. Now, so many crypto billionaires also believe that there's a possibility for the coin to massively revive within a short period of time. Now, for me, I believe yes, currently it's trading with about 4 zeros. And one good thing is that it's been ranked among the front page on CoinMarketCap and also on CoinGecko. Now, deleting 1 to 2 zeros means Luna must have hit between 1,000 to 8,000 or 10,000% as of the time of recording this. Now, if you have $100 and Luna hit about 8,000%, you'll be getting about $8,000 worth of your investment. Or if it hits 10,000%, you'll be making about $10,000. Now, this coin is currently trading with 4 zeros at the time of recording this. Though a lot of people have actually predicted Luna is going to reach 1 cent. Reaching 1 cent means deleting 2 zeros. But based on the time of recording this, if Terra is going to delete 2 zeros, then Terra Classic is going to hit about 4,000%. Okay, yes, 4,000 to 6,000%. Now, I believe even though it's 4,000%, that is still a lot of profit for me, if you ask me, because imagine putting $100 and you're getting $4,000 with Terra Classic LUNC. But I also believe 10,000% is possible, and we're happy because Luna, right now at the time of recording this, there is a project that is going on, and Binance are ready to support this project. Kucoin are ready to support this project. Most of the Terra Classic exchange, they are all coming out to say they're ready to support. Now, the plan is to make sure that Luna remains among the top 100 crypto coins. And so many people have also started volunteering to burn their Terra Classic coin. I believe very soon we are going to start recording massive burning of Terra Classic. You see people who owns about, let's say, 1 billion coins of Terra Classic who might decide to burn 50 million or 10 million coins of their holding. And if this continues and if people start giving out free will burning Terra Classic LUNC coins, we might end up destroying about 1 trillion coin within the first 3 months. And I hope this actually come to pass, because 1 trillion coins out of the total supply means a lot. Removing 1 trillion coin from the current supply of Terra Classic is definitely going to increase Terra Classic price, and of course push Terra Classic and give Terra Classic that stand they need. And I still believe that the major thing right now we need is a mega volume. If they can start trading with over 200 to 500 million dollars trading volume every 24 hours, and then we'll be burning about 1.2% of that. Okay, 1.2% of that means a lot of money. Yes, that's 1.2% of that means a lot of money because of the tax burn. And that's the major part I'm always concerned about Terra Classic, is for Terra Classic to increase in terms of the trading volume. Trading volume means a lot, not just for Terra Classic, for Solana, for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for all crypto coins. That trading volume always help them to rise. Trading volume always help them to really push further. So that is why I believe that if Luna can focus on getting more trading volume, if Terra Classic traders, if people can trade Terra Classic more, if you can hit between 200 to 500 million dollars trading volume, if more money will be flowing into Terra Classic, then Terra Classic have the possibility of burning more coins. Okay, yes, if there will be more cash flow into Terra Classic, they will burn more coins. And though I know that burning more coins is not easy, just like other crypto coins, because sometimes I normally say that Luna, they are really trying their best, especially what Binance are doing for Terra Classic, because when you compare Terra Classic to other coins like Shiba Inu, you discover that even Shiba Inu itself is not burning what Terra Classic are burning, except when they started introducing their own tax burn, and which was about 2.5%. That is when you see Shiba Inu burning rate increase. While for Terra Classic, they have been burning a lot. That was the time Shiba Inu was burning between 10 million, 4 million in 24 hours, 20 million in 24 hours. Most of these Shiba Inu holders, nobody was ready to burn their coins. The trading volume was there was no tax burn, so that was why Shiba Inu was not burning much. But now I think they have introduced the tax burn. Shiba Inu will start recording massive burning of Shiba Inu coin because they need it. With the coin, the Shiba Inu have over 579 trillion coins. This is why they need the tax bond in order to increase the burning of Shiba Inu coin. Let's keep on supporting Terra Classic. Let's keep on supporting crypto industry for the betterment of every holder. And I believe Terra Classic is going to make us prosper. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.